How to delete YouTube channel permanently on phone. Open the YouTube app on your Android phone or iPhone. Next, tap the profile picture at the bottom right corner. From here, tap Switch Account. And then select the YouTube channel that you want to delete. Once the right YouTube channel is selected, tap the profile picture again and select Google account. Tap Data and Privacy. Scroll down to the Download or Delete your data section and tap Delete a Google service. Re-enter your Google password followed by Next. Tap the bin icon next to YouTube. Select I want to permanently delete my content. If you want to proceed, check the boxes, and then tap Delete my content. Type in your channel name or email address exactly as it appears, and then tap Delete my content. And that's it. That's how you delete a YouTube channel permanently on Android phone or iPhone. For more interesting videos, subscribe to our channel.